Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Balaji James and this is Okubi Media Network. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create astonishing particle effect like the one you can see on my screen right now. I'm going to use a plugin, and of course we're going to use Particles.js, a JavaScript creator for this. So let's go into it without wasting time. Alright, so let me go back to the back end of the website that I'm going to use. Okay, so for us to create this, the first thing we need to do is add this plugin. So just head over to your plugin library and type in this elementor add-on elements. So this is it here, EAE. So install and activate this, and once you've done that, then we're good to go. So once we've done this, all we need to do is go to pages. Let's go to pages. Once I already have this activated, so we can go to pages and we can add new. So if we had a new page here, let's say alright, so here this title, let's just say particles. We're just practicing something. Let's just say particles. Alright, so we have that there. Then you do ensure you disable the title. Okay, so once we do that, one other thing I want us to do here is go to Astra settings. Here, go to Astra. This is Astra setting. I'm actually using Astra. You may not need this, so I'm just going to go to advanced settings here, and transparent header, I'm going to enable it. So with that, I'm going to say close this and hit publish this. So that is done. I'm going to copy this is the link. So once I've done that, I'm going to say edit with Elementor. Alright, so while this is loading, so this is the one we have here. I'm going to just paste that link here so that it doesn't get off my so you can see nothing on the page. So so we go back to this. Alright, so while this is loading, I'm going to drop a link to Particles.js website whereby you can create your own particles. So this is the one I have now. So all you need to do is just play around with these particles. Say here you get to work with the particles, and you can determine how many number of particles to be moving on. So if you want much, the default is usually 80, so you can make it 50, and once you leave that, you see that they are more now. So then the color, we can I'm a fan of blue, so I use blue. So you can choose something else, let's say this, and alright, so we do that. And then if you go to let's say shape is in circles, we can say triangle, you can say stars like this. So you can have stars like this. You can even use an image of your own, so but I'm not going to use that now. So then size, maybe we increase this to let's say 15 if we want, depending on your choice. So like this. So once we do that, we can actually minimize this and then come to the background, although the background does not really matter in this case. So let's say we can say white, like this. So once we've done that, all we need to do is go ahead and click download current config in JSON file. So click on download, and it's going to download to in form of a text, so a txt file. Just open it, and okay, so this is the code here. You need to copy this code and hit copy. So and let me minimize this. So let's go back to that page that we were loading. So this is it, I guess. So it's still coming up. Alright, so there we have it. All we need to do right now is create a new section here. We're gonna make it a full width section, and once we do that, a full width section. Now in this section we're going to set the height, so say minimum height, and let's say we say set this to something like let me use 600. Okay, so I have 600 there, and alright, I have 600 there. Then I'm going to choose a background. I'm going to go to background under style, go to background and say classic, and then pick an image, and let's use that same one, or we can use this other one. Okay, yeah, I have another one, so let's use this other one. Okay, alright, so we have it like this, and then position, you can say let's say center, then size, I'm going to say cover. Alright, so we have it like that. So once we've done that, we need to come down here where we see EAE particles, and that is what we'll be using. So EAE particles, you just need to click on enable. So there is a default one. As you can see, the particles are already moving around, so you need to select all of this, press Ctrl A and delete this, then paste what you have on your clipboard, and you can see the effect already. So we can update this, and if I go back to that browser and refresh this page, so we can see the outcome pretty good. So looks really nice, right? Okay, so that is how you can create this beautiful animation using Particles.js and the Elementor add-on element, plugin to beautify your website. And this looks astonishing. In fact, the star, I think it looks better than what I had earlier on. So that is how you can do this. I believe this tutorial has been so helpful. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and so on, and let's grow this channel together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another tutorial soon. Bye.